Me and my son were just about to leave the house and it started absolutely bucketing down with rain. I've got a little bit more time to make my hair look half decent, and then we're going to head over to the North Shore. So we live more like central Auckland, and to get over to the North Shore you've got to go over the Auckland Harbour Bridge, and there's quite a cool bike track over there, so we're going to go and do that. There's also a place called the Chelsea Sugar Works. The brand Chelsea make sugar, and they've got a big factory over on the North Shore. Kind of sits right on the edge of the water, and you can see it as you're going over the harbour bridge. It used to be like painted pink. I don't know if it still is. They have like a cafe and a big grassy area and a wee like playground. So we can do both of those things or one of those things. Let's see how the weather is. And then there's one of my favourite little Japanese restaurants that I want to go to for lunch, which opens at 12. So we can probably get those things done and then go and have lunch. This pimple is back, so I've got a pimple patch on that. So I just want to keep my hair off my face so it doesn't dangle in it. I bought this hairspray for my daughter when she was doing, I think it must have been like a ballet concert or something like that, like 2 years ago. And it is so intense to hold. Like once it's there, it's not going anywhere. I think I can hear the rain stopped, so I think we'll head out. Right, Mum's getting her shoes on. We'll get your shoes on too. Okay. That was a good crunch. This is what's left of the apple that my son just ate. Isn't that amazing? We literally just arrived and it started raining again.
Is the rain clouds when it's not raining?
That's it, good job. Go, 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 go! Woohoo! Go, 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 go! Woohoo! My son's been riding a bike, I want to say since he was 3, when he turned 3. We got him a balance bike when he was probably just after he started walking really. And it was the best thing because he's been able to pick up riding a bike so easily. The first bike we got him, it did have training wheels. We tried him for about one go with the training wheels and immediately we're like, this is not going to work for him, and just took them off, and he just took off pretty much straight away. So a balance bike I think is definitely the way to go. This is looking nasty.
Mommy, you can, because you're a grown-up.
Yeah, but I'm not sure who you have to ask about it.
Could you just go on it?
They might have some toys.
I want the car.
Do you remember where they are?
Mommy,
We have to buy it first.
there's not connect here.
They have to make it. Do you know what they have to do? They have to cook the rice and cut up the salmon and get the seaweed ready.
Really big accident. And that's a tow truck.
I'll give you that one back. Thank you. Thank you very much. You want to put them on there? Okay. Oh.
8.
Update. Yeah, so they've got factory tours, a cafe, interactive zone, whatever that is, and a baking school. Oh no, he's stuck! He needs rescuing! That Japanese food was really good as usual, but because my son's growing so much, you can't get away with just getting him like, I got like the 8 pieces of small sushi, but that's not enough for me. Like eats that in like 5 seconds, and then he was asking for more. $34 later, um, lunch ended up being quite expensive. They've got all their sugar products on display at the front here, and then this is the cafe. It's actually a really nice spot to come and have some lunch or a coffee, and this must be where they do their baking classes. That's where I'm going to finish up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to stay down here at the Chelsea Sugar Factory for a little bit longer, and then we've got to go pick up my daughter from school. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!